Hey mates! Today, we're exploring how to use AI to help make your wedding a blast with your bridesmaids and groomsmen. Let's get started. First up, asking your friends to be bridesmaids or groomsmen. It's a special moment, and we want to make it unique. So, let's ask ChatGPT to suggest some creative ways to pop the question. And there you have it. From keepsake boxes to a fortune cookies, ChatGPT has given us some fantastic ideas that are sure to make your friends feel special. Next, we are on to gifts for the groomsmen. We want something personal and memorable, so let's see what ChatGPT recommends. Brilliant! ChatGPT has suggested everything from personalized cufflinks to custom-made craft beer sets. These gifts are not only thoughtful, but also something your groomsmen can treasure long after the wedding. Now, let's talk about the night before the wedding. It's a great time for the bridal party to bond and relax before the big day. Let's ask ChatGPT to suggest some activities. And there we go. ChatGPT has given us a range of ideas, from a cozy movie night to a pampering spa session. These activities will ensure everyone is relaxed and ready for the big day. Finally, we are planning a low-key bachelor party. Not everyone wants a wild night out, so let's see what ChatGPT suggests for a more laid-back celebration. Fantastic! From a weekend camping trip to a poker night, ChatGPT has come up with some great ideas that are fun, memorable, and a little bit different. And there you have it, mates. With ChatGPT, planning fun and unique experiences for your bridesmaids and groomsmen is a breeze. Thanks for joining us, and we hope your wedding is a blast.